Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Yamaha Bolt R Spec 950cc Vtwin liquid cooled, air cooled, fuel injected. This bike has a lot of cool custom features. Reflective wheel tape. It's got LED turn signals mounted on the top of those fork stanchions and on the rear of the piggyback shock. An awesome sounding TBR exhaust system. Only 9,600 miles on this gorgeous Bolt R Spec. It's also got a relocated speedometer right next to the air intake. Really cool bike. Belt drive, no chain to mess with. Price to sell, $57.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes. From Contra Costa Powersports.